This is a crossroads. This way you go to Devin, a very beautiful place. This way you go back to Dubravka, District 11. This way you go to Dlhé Diely, another district. Where I'm going, well, not exactly to the streets, but on a field where I will make fire. I'm starting this video with one of my two most favorite things to do. The first one is driving in a car. The second one is going to the woods. Where I used to grow up in Orava, there is nothing but fields and woods. So if you wanted to do something, you just went for a walk and you use your imagination on stuff you would like to do, you would like to see, you would like to experience. You could imagine how it is in different places, how your life would be different if you would be in those different places. I love that. I think that I have my imagination developed from this time, from this place, and I still have it. The imagination and the hobby of going to the woods. I've been in this woods since I moved here. I've been here many times. Not as often as I would like to, but sometimes you just don't do stuff that you would like to do because life is too difficult. Stuff like that. I already took some wood with me. It will be very hard to make a fire with this wet wood. I'm not sure how it will go, but I will hope for the best. So this is the fire pit. It's actually quite deep, but there's a lot of snow, so I will clean the fire pit, then I will bring some woods and we can start doing fire. I found this rosehip wood. Someone was cutting them, lucky for me. They have this, I'm not sure how to call it in English, but it's very painful. And I think there will be blood running tonight. Nazdar. Čau.
Čauky. To je úplně popiči. Sejaste. Donesol si veľa papieru, státy báči.
To som náš odpad.
Jaj, tomu veríme, že no? Kurva, hej, ne?
To ani moc neviem. No.